You are a presidential aspirant today, but I want people to know that you are still my friend.
I referred myself as the unifier.
This is AA Week, your weekly special documentary on the daily activities of His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the former Vice President of Nigeria and the Waziri of Adamawa. This episode covered 27th April to 1st May 2022. On Wednesday, the 27th, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar returned to Nigeria after his trip to Mecca, Saudi Arabia, for the lesser pilgrimage. The following day, Thursday, he met with the PDP National Working Committee members as part of his consultations in his bid to become the PDP presidential candidate in the 2023 elections. This is what he said to them.
Very many of you in this National Working Committee have interacted with me politically and otherwise for a very, very long time. I don't have to tell you what I am, what qualifications I have, what experience I have, and what I can do for this party, for this country. Of course, when I declared to run for the president of this country, I said I was going to emphasize on 5 key issues. And these 5 key issues are germane. I said I was going to make sure that I reunite this country. And that was why I referred myself as the unifier. I'm really not here to lecture you. I'm just really here to inform you of my decision to run again, and also to urge you to provide the right kind of leadership so that the best candidate can emerge. And I dare say, Mr. Chairman, I am the best candidate. Under normal circumstances, Mr. Chairman, thank you very much. Mr. Chairman, under normal circumstances, this is a guy who has already 11 million votes in his kitty. And I think as a party, you should give me the right of first refusal. But we are in a democracy. All what I can urge you is to make sure that the way you have started, you also conclude the way you have started. By being very fair, very credible, giving every contestant the opportunity to face the electorate.
You are a presidential aspirant today, but I want people to know that you are still my friend. I can't deny you. I never deny my friends, including those who are in the other disastrous party. Again, I can't deny the fact that we work together harmoniously, whether political issues or economic issues, and on the National Security Council when I was Minister for Internal Affairs. I'm saying this to make it clear that those who say, oh, because of my personal relationship with you, as chairman, I'll work for you. Mr. Vice President, I will not work for you as an aspirant. I will work for all the 17 aspirants.
On Friday, the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar attended the PDP presidential screening exercise and was successfully cleared to contest for the President of Nigeria under the platform of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. He later attended the Jumu'at prayer at the Asokoro Central Mosque. On Saturday, he was officially presented with the certificate of clearance to contest for the President of Nigeria under PDP. He then left Abuja for Yola for the Eid al-Fitr celebrations. That's your AA Week for the week. You can follow His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar social media platforms for details of these activities. Thank you for checking out your AA Week. See you next episode and bye for now.